Alright guys, there's the date and time of Garmin Furnace 620. And we are back at this elevator, which is elevator number 2 at IKEA in Schaumburg, Illinois. Now the reason why I wanted to film it was because when I wrote it down, I just noticed that the chime sounded like it was kind of dying. So I wanted to, give you an idea of what it sounds like. So yeah, it doesn't really sound as healthy as it used to. So you'll see what I mean when we take a ride on this elevator. I'm probably just gonna take a round trip because I already have an actual video of this on my channel. So if you want to check that out, link will be in the description. Let's go. No problem. So we're gonna ride up to 3 to show you that the chime looks like someone's coming up. You going up to 3 or 2?
2. 2?
All right. So yeah, now we're gonna watch the indicator. Listen to that really sick chime. I just like to review elevators as a hobby.
Yeah.
Yeah, the chime. I noticed that the chime sounds a little more sick than it used to in the past.
Really?
Yeah, it doesn't normally sound like that.
Prime observation.
Yeah.
Have a good one.
Thanks, you too. So yeah, the elevator's really nice. Yep, definitely not what I remember it sounded like. So anyway, sure, up at 3. Now we're gonna head back down to 1. Also, look at this, guys. It seems like this, metal part in the brush is coming off. Wow, look at that. I also feel like it goes slower than the other one. So I don't know, this might have some kind of I'm not really sure if the guide ring is old or not, but I also remember it going this slow. I mean, maybe it did, but it's just been a while. So anyways, yeah, here we're back down 1. And let's, for the heck of it, we're going to send this up to 3 so you guys can listen to the motor in this machine room, which I think is dry powered. Oh, sorry, I didn't know you were coming. Got a little that motor goes. But yeah, this elevator is kind of worsening in condition, but at least it still works. And I'm also heard that they don't have any plans for KONE. I also heard that KONE does not have any plans to modernize it. But yeah, guys, there's an update on this elevator, and that's it.